Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 7.5 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Always do your best, but don't overdo. When you overdo, you deplete your body and you go against yourself, and it'll take longer to accomplish your goal. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials down 72, NASDAQ off 1, S&P's off 1.5. Gold contract up $7.50, trading at $15.79 an ounce. We get silver up 13 cents, $17.63 an ounce. Light sweet crude up 36 cents, $51.53 a barrel. Notes and bonds. You get the 10-year right now up 2 ticks, trading 130.24. The 30-year up 7 ticks, 161.29. And King Dollar up 18 ticks, trading 99.06. The euro is at a 108. The pound is at 130, and the yen is at 109.79 to $1 US. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? We take a look at this S&P out here. What you're going to see out here, folks, is that you got a total rejection of lower price out here this morning. 8:30, 8 o'clock this morning, you're down 20 S&P points. Bottom line, it grind right from the beginning all morning long. You start grinding back topside. The low came in at 510 this morning. Bottom line, it stayed there until basically about the open in the market. Open in the marketplace, they took it at from 33.59 to 33.70 at about a heartbeat, came back and tested. Now what you've just done is you actually got over the highs of yesterday once again. Market just shook off the whole coronavirus, how they basically they upped the amount of cases out there as well as the deaths, unfortunately, out there. But market-wise said, see you, don't want to be you. NDX 100, we go take a look at the NDX too. NDX 100, the 3 Qs, made a new all-time high. It's up 9 cents right now. We had a low out here of 232 today. You got a high of 234.39 right now. Gold contract out here. You get a small ABC structure on the way up. Gold is going after its larger B point. So right now, folks, gold is in a complex ABC structure up. Now, what that means, okay, is that a complex ABC structure means that you got over the B point, you took it out with volume, yet you gave it up on price. Now, we did that on the 8th of January. We got all the way up to the price point of 16.19. You did monster volume out here. Let me see. This is going to be a different contract we're dealing with right now, but yeah, I don't have the volume right now. I can pull back and get the other volume. Anyway, we had taken out with volume, gave it up on price, right? That being said, what we have out here today is we got a small ABC structure on the way up, confirmed. We just took out the swing high that was established out here on Monday of 1580.50. Monday, you had contract volume of 192,000. We're at 260. Now, what's cool about this is that when you take a look at this, what you're going to see is that the last 2 days, Tuesday and Wednesday, we pulled back. Tuesday, we pulled back with 232,000. Yesterday, you pulled back with 190. We expand today, 260. This price projection, folks, is so cool because the price projection is right at $15.95. We've taken the B point out today. You got it with volume. So your price point is the B point of the complex ABC structure on the way up. Pretty wild how this is shaking out. Silver, we go take a look at the silver market. What you're going to see inside the silver market also has volume behind this move. You're up 13 cents, nothing heavy there, but the bottom line with the volume, you do have some volume inside this move. They're out there buying gold, they're buying silver, and we'll see whether you can get follow through to the top side. Notes and bonds, they just continue also to want higher price, lower yield. Pretty amazing, actually, watching this thing shake out. What we had out here today, the 10-year got all the way up to 131.05. We did 2 million shares, 2 million contracts, folks. That's great contract volume, and what you're going to see when you're taking a look at this, when we came down the last 2 days in the 10-year, we came down 7 million and 1.5 million, and yet you were going into 2.5 million. So bottom line, they both want higher price, lower yield, even with markets at all-time highs. King Dollar. Now, this one is getting really wild because King Dollar has been testing the trend line to get back inside its larger range, its higher range, rather. And we're sitting there right now. You're sitting right on this trend line, folks. So that's telling me that tomorrow it's going to try to break this trend line, try to get back inside its higher range. And when you take a look at this, it's pretty wild, man. I mean, you know, we're sitting, and we made a high today of 99.099. Well, the trend line sits at 99,293, which is only a couple hundred ticks above where we are. I suspect we're going to hit it. We'll see whether we can break it. You know, thus far, bottom line is this dollar's had a pretty decent run last 2.5 weeks. Some of the higher volume equities in this market. Out here today, you get, let's see, we get GE's down 20 cents. Cisco's off 241. That came in with numbers. Tesla, oh my God. Tesla is something else, man. Tesla is going to do a secondary, small secondary, only $2 billion. Most times, folks, when you do a secondary, the bottom line, the stock pulls back a bit. Tesla just shook everything off. Tesla's up $35, trading 802, and you still have a just over a 15% short position in Tesla. It had been running 1755. And right now, let's get to the updated one. The updated one is 1588. So bottom line is that you're still talking about very large short positions that can drive that stock, but they're going to, you know, raise money now at a much higher level, and of course that means that you're selling a lot less shares. If we go take a look at the NDX 100, which brought the market, shook it right off again. It was Tesla that's leading the charge up there, up 4.7%. INCY is up 3%. AMAT up 2.8%. And Mercado Libre up 2.5%. So big numbers out here. As you come over to our website at TFNN, folks, you're going to see our man, Mr. Basil Chapman. He's going to be doing a special workshop this afternoon for all his subscribers. That's going to be from 4 to 5:30. Basil's going to be coming up right next with us. We're going to be talking about what he's going to be teaching. And it's real easy to get in that workshop, folks. Just hit that button, subscribe, comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. Basil and I are coming right back.